Hey guys, today's video is about color coding of carbon registers, and let's see how to decode this color code. Now, if we are given with a carbon register on which there are coaxial bands of rings, like these are ring kinds of structures drawn on this carbon register, and these rings will be of different color. These colors actually represent what is the value of this carbon register, what is the value of the register. This is how we buy registers from the market. Now see, how to decode this is the first color, it represents the first significant digit of the register. Means for this color there are some codes for each color, like for black there is 0, for brown there is 1, like that. So each ring represents some number, each color represents some number. So let's say this first ring, it shows the first significant digit, means the number value. Now this second ring, it represents the second significant digit, but the third ring, it gives us the 10 power multiplier. Means the first digit, let's say the first digit comes out to be 3, let's say the second digit comes out to be 5, and third digit comes out to be 10 to the power something, it will be 10 to the power something. So we will write 35 into 10 to the power something in this format. And lastly, the fourth ring will represent the tolerance value. Tolerance value means what might be the fluctuation in resistance. It might be plus or minus 5%, or plus or minus 10%, or plus or minus 20%, like this. So this is how we decode a carbon register. We will see some examples, but let's see the table, which color represents what number. Let's see the table first. So here this is the table. See guys, black represents, as a number it represents 0, but as a multiplier it represents 10 to the power 0. Similarly, brown 1 or 10 to the power 1. Means what does this mean? If brown color is in first or second ring, either in first or in second ring, then we will use these numbers. But if a color is in the third ring, then we will use this one, this value, 10 power multiplier, and it is not difficult to remember. See, for the significant digit the number is 1, for multiplier it is 10 to the power 1, for significant digit it is 3, and for multiplier it is 10 to the power 3. So it is not very difficult to remember, and all the numbers are arranged in chronological order, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9, right? Now after this table will give us the first 3 rings, the decoding of first 3 rings. Now for the fourth ring, this is a small table. If our tolerance value is 5%, we will be using gold color. If our tolerance value is 10%, we will be using silver color. But if there are only 3 bands, there is no fourth band. Again I am saying, if there is no fourth band, that means the tolerance value is 20%. So this is the color code, and to remember it, this is a trick to remember it. See the sentence, B.B. Roy of Great Britain had very good wife who wore gold and silver necklace. See how we are decoding. First B represents black, second B for brown, then Roy, R-O-Y, red, orange, yellow. Now of does not represent anything. For this great, G represents green, again Britain represents blue, hard does not represent anything, very, V for violet, good, G for grey, wife, W for white. Again who wore does not represent anything, gold for gold, silver for silver, and in necklace the N stands for no color. Okay, this is the color. This is the trick to remember the color code, because when in exam they will ask, we will not be given with the table, so we need to remember the value. These are the chronological order of the color names. And remember here 2 things, we have 3 B's, B, B and B. The first one shows black, second one shows brown, and third one shows blue. This one you have to remember separately. Similarly, there are 2 G also, G and G. The first G represents green and the second G represents grey. This one also we have to keep in mind. So we have 3 B's and 2 Gs. Rest we can remember from the sentence. And also, just to avoid confusion, just remember that of, hard, who, or, these 4 words does not bear any color code. Of, hard, who, or. So don't get confused in the exam. Only B. Roy, Great Britain, very good wife, gold, silver necklace. These have the color codings. So B, ROY, G, B, like that. Now see some examples how we are decoding it. See, let's say we have 3 examples here. The first one, let's say the first one. Now in this one, we have first color as violet, second color as yellow, third one as brown, and fourth one as gold. Now let's see violet, yellow, and brown. Look at the table. Violet stands for 7, yellow stands for 4. So we have written 7, 4. Now the third color is for brown, right? Now what represents brown? Brown can be shown by 1 or 10 to the power 1. But brown is used in the third column, right? Third ring. Brown is used in the third ring. And third ring is for multiplier 1. So we will not use 1. We will use 10 to the power 1. So 7, 4 into 10 to the power 1. And for gold, we have plus or minus 5%. Similarly, see, red, red, red. We have 3 red colors. First red, 2. For the second red, again 2. But the third ring represents 10 power multiplier. So into multiplied 10 to the power 2. Now again, gold represents plus or minus 5%. Now see, here we have 3 rings. 3 rings, there is an absence of fourth ring. So no ring. No ring means we have color coding 20% tolerance value. For no ring, according to our color coding, we have 20% plus or minus 20% tolerance value. Now for the rest of the 3 colors, again for green we have 5, for orange we have 3, so 53 into third ring represents red. So for red, our third 10 power multiplier, for red we have 10 to the power 2, so we are multiplying 10 to the power 2. So the final resistance, we got this much ohm. So this is how we calculate or decode the resistance of a carbon resistor.